right, high point class. So this is the next section. Sorry this was so choppy, but this section will have Callie as 1, then Morgan is 2, Ariana is 3, Natasha is 4, McKenna over here is 5 at this point. And you come on, and from Callie's side, you'll go right, left. Oh, I'm so sorry. Start over. Left, right, right. And this is on 5, and then you'll put down on 7, 8. Okay? From this side, from Morgan's side, it would be right, left, and that's planting the toe. And then this is 5, 6, 7, 8. And you really got to figure out a way to plant the toe, strong straight knee, and then extend slowly for 2 full counts. 5, 6. Okay? So you can't do this part unless you can do 5,